Do you find yourself frequently frustrated with your slow phone? It's a common struggle we all face at times. The good news is, there are ways to speed up your device and bring back that out-of-the-box performance. Whether it's due to an overload of files, outdated software, or simply too many background processes, we've got you covered. Over the course of this video, we'll be exploring various simple yet effective methods to revive your phone's speed. So, stay tuned as we dive into the steps to make your phone faster. Our first step to a faster phone is clearing your device's storage. Think of your phone as a room. The more clutter you have, the harder it is to move around. The same goes for your device. Overloaded with unnecessary apps, photos, videos, and files, it starts to slow down. So let's start the decluttering process. First, transfer your content to a computer or cloud storage. Next, eliminate all unnecessary apps and files. This simple step can significantly improve the performance and speed of your device. Now let's talk cache. Applications on your device accumulate temporary data, creating digital clutter. Clearing this cache periodically is like dusting your room. It's essential for maintaining a clean, efficient space. To do this, navigate to your device settings, find the Applications or App Management section, select an app, and hit Clear Cache. Remember, it's all about freeing up space. The less cluttered your device, the faster it will perform. This routine maintenance of deleting unnecessary files and clearing the cache ensures your device stays in top shape, much like regular exercise keeps our bodies healthy. With your phone's storage cleared, you should already notice a difference. It's like taking a deep breath after cleaning a room. Your device can now breathe easier and operate more smoothly, ready for the next step towards becoming a speedier, more efficient tool in your daily life. Next, let's ensure your software is up to date. Now you might be thinking, what does updating software have to do with speeding up my phone? Well, a lot, actually. See, both your phone's operating system and the apps that you use are continually refined by their developers. These improvements often include fixes for bugs, enhancements to the user interface, and most importantly for us, performance upgrades. Regularly updating your software ensures that you're not missing out on these enhancements. Think of it like maintaining a car. You wouldn't skip out on an oil change, would you? Similarly, neglecting software updates might mean you're driving your phone on old, thick oil. And just like a car, that can lead to reduced performance and even damage over time. Updating your software is typically a simple process. For your operating system, you'll usually find the option in your phone settings under System Updates or something similar. And for your apps, head over to your App Store and check for updates there. Remember, these updates aren't just about adding new features. They're about making sure your phone runs as smoothly and efficiently as possible. So don't put them off. With your software updated, you're well on your way to a speedier phone. So what's next on the agenda? Stay tuned to find out. Now, it's time to optimize your device's settings. One of the most effective ways to speed up your device is by disabling features you don't use often. These could be anything from Bluetooth and GPS to background app refreshes. These features, while useful, can consume substantial system resources, slowing down your device when they're running in the background. To disable them, you can generally navigate to your device's settings menu, look for the specific feature, and simply switch it off. Another key optimization step is limiting background processes. These are tasks that your device performs behind the scenes, even when you're not actively using an app. While some background processes are essential, others are not. You can manage these processes by checking which apps are running in the background. If there are apps that you don't need running constantly, you can close them or adjust their settings to minimize their impact on your device's performance. Remember, these steps aren't about completely shutting down your device's capabilities. It's about finding a balance between functionality and performance. By optimizing your settings, you're ensuring your phone can focus on what's important. This way, you're not only making your device faster, but also extending its lifespan by preventing unnecessary strain on its resources. So go ahead, give your device a much-needed optimization, and watch as it performs better than ever before. Our next step, give your device a fresh start. Periodically, restarting your phone can do wonders. It's like a mini vacation for your device, allowing it to free up memory and close unnecessary background processes. Imagine it as a system cleanse, flushing out the digital clutter and giving your phone a chance to breathe. This can have a positive effect on your device's performance and speed. So, the next time your phone seems sluggish, remember, a simple restart can often give your phone the boost it needs. Finally, let's look into using optimization apps. These handy tools are like having a mini tech specialist right in your pocket. Available in abundance on the app market, they offer functions such as memory cleaning, task management, and settings optimization. All these features work together to help your phone run smoother and faster. These apps are particularly useful as they do all the heavy lifting for you, taking the guesswork out of the optimization process. Simply download, install, and let the app work its magic. And the best part? Most of these apps are free or come at a nominal cost. However, if you're experiencing serious performance issues, it might be time to seek professional help. Technicians at service centers can analyze your device's condition and suggest the most effective fixes. With the right tools and help, you can maximize your phone's speed. So, there you have it. We've journeyed through the essential steps to speed up your phone, starting with clearing your device's storage to make room for smooth operation. Then, keeping your software updated for optimal performance. Next, we optimize the device's settings, turning off unnecessary functions and limiting background processes. We also learned the importance of occasionally restarting your device. Finally, we explored the world of optimization apps, a tool to keep your phone running smoothly. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to a faster, more efficient phone. Remember, every device is unique, and results may vary. Happy optimizing!